I had known then or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said.
Hey guys, this is Martin and today we're gonna unbox the Zoook rocker Encore, priced at rupees 1999 on Snapdeal. So I bought this from Snapdeal as well. So let's quickly see what's in the box, and here it's probably a good packing by Snapdeal. So let me keep the box aside and show you the bill. The bill shows 1999 as you can see. So without further ado, let's just quickly unbox the product. So as I said, quite a good packing by Snapdeal. So here we get the box, and let's see. It's IP65 12 watt, and at the back there are many specifications written if you're interested. So here is the price. It's 2,999 written. So here we open the box. Before opening, just see the seal must be intact. Don't buy if you have a broken seal product, so be careful with that. So let me just open it and show you what's inside. Opening the box, we get the warranty card, the product manual. The warranty card has the serial number and you can use it for claiming warranty, and here is the product manual. So everything is written. You can just pause and read if you want to. Then we have some other things to show. There is a 3.5 mm jack to connect it with your phone, and also a micro USB cable for charging the product. Also, let me keep the box aside and show you the product itself. So on the front side we have twin 6 watt speaker. Together they are 12 watt. On the top we have the control panel. So let me show you. Here is the power button, here is the volume down, here is the call or pause, or here is the volume up. So on the right you can see it's a rugged texture. I like it. It's very good, I think. So at the down we have a mounting jack for using it with your bike or something you want. At the back there are no speakers, and as I told, it's totally rugged, snowproof, waterproof and all. So here's a quick panel to open, and there's a charging plug, and there is a 3.5 mm jack. So at the left there is nothing. So let's quickly do a quick review of the sound.
मेरा नाम शिवांश दुबे है। क्या आप बता सकते हैं मेरा नया साल कब शुरू होता है?
So guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Zoook rocker Encore. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good one, guys.